Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are good. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you. All of you are promoting for intermediate, and during this session we are going to take admission in IIIT Basara. For that, at this year Polyset 2021 entrance examination will be conducted. So during Polyset entrance examination, if we get a good rank, then we can easily get the admission in Basara IIIT. So it is a wonderful opportunity. So let us see, in Polyset syllabus of chemistry, the marks weightage is 30. And the syllabus of the chemistry is chemical reactions, acids and bases, atomic structure, classification of elements, and metallurgy. Here these are 5 chapters. Each chapter may from 5 questions from each chapter, 5 or 6 questions. For example, in chemical reactions, now let us see what are the subtopics in a chemical reaction. See, in chemical reactions, mainly chemical process or chemical change and physical change. Chemical change and physical change. What is chemical reaction and chemical equation? Chemical equation. Here from this area, at least one question should be come. What is the physical change of the following, or what is the chemical change of the following? What is the example of a physical change, or what is the example of a chemical change? And chemical reaction, what is the definition of chemical reaction, and what is the chemical equation? Definition of a chemical reaction and what is chemical equation. And the important topic in this chapter is balancing a chemical equation. Balancing a chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation. And another important one is mole concept and related problems. Mole concept and related problems. From this chapter, at least 3 to 5 marks. The marks weightage of this chapter is at least 3 to 5 marks. And one question compulsory on mole concept, related problem. And another one is, which of the following equation is a balanced, or which of the following equation is not balanced. And chemical reaction, chemical equation. Physical change and chemical changes examples. And writing the rules of chemical equation. So these are the important topics in chemical reactions. So in the 9th standard already we have an idea, or we learned the idea of the chemical reactions and the types of reactions. So in SSC, so what are chemical reactions, chemical equations, and balancing a chemical equation? What are the rules to represent a chemical equation? How we balance it? And what are the physical change and chemical change? And another important for entrance point of view is endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Endothermic and exothermic. What are endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction, and examples? Examples of endothermic and exothermic reactions. So in chemical reactions we are going to in detail discussing these subtopics. We practice the number of questions for each and every topic and each and every subtopic, and we can also solve the previous year questions, PYQ questions. In 2019, 20 and 18 and 17, we practice the all previous year questions of the each and every topic in detail. And the next one is acids and bases. It is a very, very important topic. It is a very, very important acids, and at least 6 questions from this chapter. And the next one is atomic structure. It is also very important. atomic structure, here 6 marks, and classification of elements also 6 marks, and metallurgy 6 marks. At least minimum 3 to 6 marks. Chemical reactions 3 to 6 marks, and remaining all are maybe expected to 6 marks from the each topic. Okay, next, acids and bases. In acids and bases, atomic structure, classification of elements, these are 3 very, very important topics. Acids and bases, atomic structure, and classification of elements. These are the major topics. If we practice thoroughly each and every question and each and every problem, we can easily get out of 30 marks, we can easily achieve the at least 25 to 30 marks we can get easily. Out of 30 marks, 20 questions can directly ask from the textbook, and the remaining 5 questions or 6 questions, they are some in-depth or the application concept. So we can read thoroughly each and every topic and subtopics, and we can practice the number of examples and multiple choice questions and the previous year questions. Then we can easily get the good rank, and we will get good marks. In next session, we will discuss chemical reactions, and we will discuss the all subtopics. After completion of the each and every subtopic, we will discuss the various number of multiple choice questions and bits and important questions. And similarly, likewise, each and every topic, we will discuss the subtopics with examples of multiple choice questions. And after completion of each and every topic, we will conduct an exam. So please follow the videos and read thoroughly. Thank you very much.